शुरू करो. Gate function. Next function is the gate function. Actually, gate function is a rectangular pulse of height or magnitude 1. Just like this pulse starting at time t1 and t1 to t1 plus t. And this pulse, if applied to any function, it bounds the function to this region. As its magnitude is 1, the value is 1. If you multiply any function by this gate pulse, the region which is bounded by this pulse, the function occurs only that region. So this is a pulse of unit magnitude and bounded the function of a given function to the interval in which this pulse occurs. So it is a rectangular pulse of unit height starting at t is equal to t1 for this in this case, and duration capital T can be represented by gt1 capital T is equal to ut minus t0 minus ut minus t plus capital T. This is the delayed function. This function is known as gate function. ये फंक्शन को हम गेट फंक्शन कहेंगे. वो एक पल्स है रेक्टेंगुलर जिसकी हाइट 1 है और जो किसी भी फंक्शन की वैल्यू को बाउंड कर देगी दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन इन विच जिसमें ये आ रहा है. ये जैसे यहाँ से t1 to t1 प्लस आ रहा है उतना वैल्यू उस फंक्शन का आएगा, बाकी फंक्शन का वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा. सो एनी फंक्शन मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ए गेट फंक्शन will have 0 value outside the function t greater than t1 plus t and less than t1. So below this time function value will be 0 and after this time the value of the function will be 0. Value of the function will be unaffected and the value of the function will be unaffected in t1 to t1 plus t0 region, or t greater than t1 and less than t1 plus t. This equation of gate function starting if this function is starting from origin, this is a delayed gate function, this is starting at 0, that time the limit will be 0 to t capital T. The equation of the gate function, you can obtain this function by substituting t0 is equal to 0 in this function. So this becomes 0t is equal to ut minus t. If you take the Laplace of this function starting from the 0 or starting from the origin, the Laplace of this function is 1 upon s minus delayed function. So the Laplace of unit is 1 upon s. Because of the delayed e to the power minus ts. Take 1 upon s common in the bracket 1 minus e to the power minus ts. So we utilize this function to find the Laplace of any function which is not a singular function. Other than singular function, you can find the Laplace transform with the help of gate function. The function may be sinusoidal or any other type. Then you can apply the gate pulse to that function, then you can easily find the Laplace transform of that function. For example, in this case, determine the Laplace transform of a single half sinusoidal wave as shown in figure, as given in the diagram. You have to find the Laplace transform of this waveform. So this is not a ramp function or step function. This is a sinusoidal function having magnitude capital A. This is function at t, limit time duration is t to t by 2. So we know the sinusoidal function is ft is equal to a amplitude of the function into sin omega t, where omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So the value of the function is ft is equal to a sin 2 pi by capital T into small t. This is the value of the function. Now you want to find the Laplace transform, then you have to multiply by the gate function, then only you can find the Laplace transform. Directly you cannot synthesis this waveform because this is not a singular function. So apply a pulse of the amplitude 1, this is gate pulse g0t by 2, ड्यूरेशन इज 0 to t by 2. बिकॉज हमें जो ड्यूरेशन लेना है, जो एक्चुअल पल्स का ड्यूरेशन लेना है, सो द गेट पल्स आल्सो ऑफ द सेम ड्यूरेशन, जिससे कि ये पूरा फंक्शन आ जाए. अदर देन द वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन इज 0. सो वी आर टेकिंग g0 t by 2 of the duration t by 2 as that of the pulse given. So g0 t by 2 is equal to, this is step function ut at t0 minus u of delayed is t by 2. This is the first equation, this is second. If you multiply by this function to the actual function and then take the Laplace, will give the Laplace transform of this waveform. ft is equal to a sin 2 pi by t into t multiply by gt by 2. So this is equal to the value of this gate function is function by multiplying the gate function is ft is equal to a sin 2 pi t into t, g0 t value, substituting this value ut minus u of t minus t by 2 multiply by this function in the bracket a sin 2 pi by t into t ut minus a sin 2 pi by t into t u of t minus t by 2. So there are two functions, f1t and second is f2t. f1t is equal to a sin 2 pi by t into t ut. This function is starting from 0 and ut also from 0. So take the Laplace of f1t is equal to f1s is equal to a into omega. The value of omega here is 2 pi by capital T upon s square plus 2 pi upon t whole square. This is the first function Laplace. Now taking the Laplace transform of the second function. f2t is equal to a sin 2 pi capital T into t u of t minus t by 2. Now ut is a delayed function, but it is starting from 0. So make this function starting from t by 2 or delayed function also, sin omega t. Now we can convert this function from t by 2. So writing t by adding subtracting t by 2 and adding t by 2. U of t minus t by 2 a sin multiply by 2 pi by t in the bracket 2 pi t by capital T t, take this as a whole bracket t minus t by 2 and multiply this by the t by 2 plus 2 pi by t into t by 2 and ut minus t by 2. Now t cancel out, 2 cancel out, a sin 2 pi by t into t minus t by 2, 2 pi by t into t minus 2 pi by t minus t by 2 plus pi and ut minus t by 2. Pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So minus sin a sin 2 pi t into t minus t by 2 u of t minus t by 2. Now we delete this function at the time t by 2. Now we can take the Laplace transform of this function easily, because now both functions are starting from time t minus t by 2 and this also t minus t by 2 f to t. So take the Laplace of f to t is equal to f to s is equal to minus a omega upon omega is 2 pi by t upon s square plus 2 pi by t square, 2 pi by t whole square, and as this is a delayed function, so e to the power t by 2 into s. When the function is delayed, then e to the power that duration into s is the Laplace. Multiply by this factor, then it will give the value of delayed function. Now total function Laplace of ft is equal to f1s minus f2s. Now substitute the value of f1s and f2s here, will give the value of Laplace ft is equal to fs is equal to f1s minus f2s. This is equal to substituting the values of f1s and f2s here. f1s value is this and f2s value is this one. So is equal to a 2 pi by t upon s square plus 2 pi by t whole square plus a minus plus a 2 pi by t e to the power minus t by 2s upon s square plus 2 pi by t whole square, taking 2 pi a by t upon s square plus 2 pi by t square common. So in the bracket is e to the power minus t by 2s. This is the value of Laplace transform of this wave. This wave's Laplace transform value is 2 pi a by t s square plus 2 pi by t whole square in bracket 1 plus e to the power t by 2 into s. Is the Laplace transform of this sinusoidal wave. Now next problem is find the Laplace transform of the following waveform. Find the Laplace transform of the following waveform. Laplace transform of the following waveform. Find the Laplace transform of the following waveform. Waveform is this is 0, this is 1 time, this is 2 time, this is ft, this is time 1, 2, 3. Now ft is equal to at 0 there are 3 functions. ऐसे वेव फॉर्म में चेंजेस देखते हैं. वेयर आर द चेंजेस? 0 से 1 कोई चेंज नहीं है. 1 तक 1 पे चेंज है 1 वोल्ट ज़्यादा आ रहा है, और 2 पे चेंज है 1 वोल्ट कम आ रहा है, और 3 पे चेंज है 1 वोल्ट का 0 हो रहा है. सो चेंजेस देखते हैं यहाँ पे. एट 0 फंक्शन इज ut, एंड एट 1 the function is 1 volt ut minus 1 delay function. At 2, at time 2 the function is minus value, this is plus 2 volt and here value is plus 1 volt. So at time 2 second, any 2 time, the function value becomes 2 to 1. The meaning of that, here minus 1 volt DC is allowed. Because of that, the 2 volt becomes 1 volt, and here 1 volt is not continuous. Here the 1 volt becomes 0. It is only possible when at 3 seconds the minus 1 volt is allowed, minus 1 upon u minus t. So these 3 functions forming this type of waveform. If you combine the 3 waveforms, 1, 2, 3, 4 waveforms, you will get a such type of waveform. So ft is equal to ut plus u of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 2 minus u of t minus 3. Now take the Laplace of ft is equal to fs is equal to 1 upon s e to the power minus s minus 1 upon s e to the power minus 2s minus 1 upon s e to the power minus 3s is the Laplace transform of this waveform.